to all my subscribers, new subscribers and viewers. Welcome. Thank you guys for all the support. I'm a big up on yourself. So people, no run come there. Make we chat little bit there. No sir. People, me no business with nobody business. But you know it go already when we pre the thing, then we have to come talk about it. So people, me go over by the pop-up cake shop. Yeah. So me go over there. And Tina wasn't there. So when me take a stock, me see Tina put out some pictures and a video. Guess what Tina said she there? She there at the Nago Falls. She there at the Nago Falls. And she had show a picture. Yeah, she had show a picture where breeze a blow. And she have one pink plastic thing to cover her, to stop her from getting wet. And it does say Nago Falls. So me no know for that, so she there. It look like she there on one ship. One ship or one boat. It look like more like a little boat. So she stand up in a one little corner. She and one friend. And them a pose. But the other part, me never tell her. Maybe if you tell her this part that me should have start with. First she show one picture. So she there on the plane. And she in a first class. Yeah. She in a first class or business class or whatever class you want to call it. And we see food and we see all the things. But we don't see her, just her finger. Just her Tina finger, me see. And Tina, and then she look like, say, she show us the passageway in the airport and one picture. But me I wonder, if I go shop, fall shop, Photoshop, because you know she know if you shop the thing them. Because if Tina in a first class, in a plane, you don't think she will show with and pack up foot. She wouldn't just show with her finger. Me know say Tina that cock up her foot high. With her up to the sky with her see her. So me don't know. I mean I tell you see her. I walk come off of the aeroplane and go in night, because the last time she in an aeroplane, she show we night. So you know think that she didn't show her back photo. So me I wonder, me don't know if he shop or he shop. If a photo shop pan in a falls. And that me I wonder. Yeah. So and that little bit me I go tell you look like say Tina in a Canada in a Niagara Falls. On boat. Me don't know. You don't tell me what you think if you don't go over there go look. Because me not sure. And that me I go say. So moving on now. Curly. Come here, Curly. You say you got smelly file. You say you got people file, Curly. A nail file? Because the file no make sense. Curly, your file no make sense. Curly, I look money off of social media. I want to have views and whatever you look. Views equal money. Because somebody, you say the person in a prison and I go up on live. How much time you think people can go up on live every minute in a prison? So, Curly, you know, make sense. And then you say they have an electronic tag. But then go up on holiday. So me don't understand that. So Curly showed two pictures. One when the person rub and one when they not rub. But you know look like I see a smiley to me. The first picture. Me don't know. Me don't understand. The picture can look look like the same person. But the person hide, him show picture on social media before, him show himself several times, yeah. So I don't know where Curly there. And he never come on social media and say I'm a pastor and he record in slate clean. So Curly no, she says she don't like people tormentor and troubler. But Curly, no. You go, if say you dig up people file, and then people they come up before and say, your son have record. Yeah. And so them say, I don't know. But let's say your son have record. And it's on the internet. For your son on the internet, and your son being to inside a prison for whatever reason. And you don't want people to talk about that. But you come out to draw out people. That's what me say. Have views. Because before me used to say, when the man over the fence you call him, and the doctor man over the fence, where you used to always come out and trouble you, and you used to cuss and you used to go along and you say, hobby you and all kind of things. And we used to think, say, no man, it's just too much. But now we get to find out, say you like it. You like to trend. And true, you see, your friend enemy a trend. It's like you want to knock her off at the first place. Because you see she a trend, so you want to knock her off. You and the lady. The lady was say she did in Nago Falls. Unuh want to be on top all the time. I don't understand it. So this is it really. You can say you got people fire and you're not sure about it. You come and show people fire and you don't know. You don't really know if it goes so high or not go so. People are set you up, make you look like clown. Yeah. Them a clown you out, Curly, because before you put out things, you have to check to make sure you know the correct information. Yeah. So, you put out things and you know how England things go. And some me go say, you know the ropes over here. Me say I go look pan, you go look pan line or you go look pan things. Unless the person do some big time thing, you know necessarily you go dip on line. So you don't know the person name, proper government name and all that. So what you saying, Curly, don't make sense at all. And that's me I go say. Yeah. So Curly want to be trending. And that me see. She want to be trending and she'll get the YouTube money now, so the money sweet her. Yeah. So that is what Curly do every day. She come out and cuss. Even the pastor she a cuss about the money. Money to keep them in buy. And I said Curly could have get more because the man go start out accommodation for Curly last year, but Curly too proud. And now she see money and go down at the shop now. Curly no like it. And some me see Curly no like it now. She just bad mind people for their money. If somebody come over here the other day and I say that Curly don't trouble people, something to like that, because I think somebody said that the pastor man obsessed with Curly because they put out the letter where the pastor they say something that it was being sarcastic really, and somebody say the man obsessed with Curly. So me put me don't know who's obsessed with who. And one of our members, Cloney, or Lonely or whatever they call her phone, come over here and say that Curly don't trouble nobody. And who the man reach out to Curly. But the man reach out to Curly because he feel sorry for the situation. Say, that's why he reach out for Curly and give her the $1,000. So Curly was upset because obviously pastor come online and talk it in front of Dr. Love. So through Dr. Love, she was a brag and a boss say she rich, and Dr. Love was a teaser. I suppose that's why Curly was upset. So the person say that we are use Curly name for clout and all these things. But then Curly I use people name too. She said Curly only come out when people are disrespect her and use her name. But it's quite evident now that Curly I come out I use people name now for content and I get in a real mix up. Real mix up say she go for file and she's no immigration officer or any kind of inspector. Yeah. And that's me I go say, Curly, you need to stop the nonsense now. Yeah. Because people are make you turn you in a hazard. Yeah. I turn you in a hazard, make you look like idiot. And that's what me I go say. And fireman don't talk and she's out.